Well, hello there, it's Animax and Tree over here, and today I'm going to show you how to finish the movement lesson. So, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to navigate in Minecraft. Using WASD keys and a mouse will help you move in Minecraft. So, you will learn
to walk, to jump, to turn around, and to sprint.
So, firstly, click the Create World button, and it'll automatically create the world for you. So, here we are. And use your mouse to move around. The crosshair will indicate what you're looking at. Look at the golden block for 3 seconds and it'll turn into an iron block. Look at the gold block that went to the other place. Like this. And then the gates will open.
So use WASD to move.
W is forward, S is backward, D is right, and A is left. And use your mouse and W to move, like walk, and change direction of your walk. Go through this little maze thing. And you can't break anything, so don't bother. So you can press Ctrl W to sprint. It'll increase your field of view, and you also go faster, but you'll consume your hunger faster. So just walk around. And also, if you touch a 1 block tall area, 1 block is 1 meter.
Officially in Mojang's thing.
Well, info. So just keep sprinting through this maze thing. It's like just practice on sprinting. Okay, so this is the complete lesson. So, that it says this doesn't mean the whole lesson is complete. It just says that the portion of the lesson is. And going on top of this will make you restart. And also press escape to enter this menu and click save and exit. So, hope this tutorial helps and hope to see you next time.